Not too shabby, right? Here we go over here. Here we go over there. Hi curl friends, welcome to Naturally Shanice. I'm Shanice, your favorite curl friend and mom bestie, guiding you through your natural and healthy hair journey and your best mom life. Listen, we're gonna get right into today's video since it's been a month since my last video. Today's gonna be a live styling session. I love doing live styling sessions, A, because you guys love them, and B, because it's like minimum editing for me and stuff, and then you can really see what exactly it is that I do. So sit back, enjoy yourself, take notes, find one thing that's gonna help you in your hair journey, and comment below with that one thing that you've learned or something that you're gonna incorporate from this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Listen, I'm 3 subscribers away from hitting 2K, which will be a huge milestone for me, you guys, because in full transparency, I've just been struggling with like content, YouTube work, you know, feeling motivated, like, oh my gosh, like, is this really making a difference? Are people really watching me? Blah, blah, blah. So yes, if you haven't already, do me a solid, do yourself a solid, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a live styling session. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it because I actually have to go to work. Today, I'm just going to use this Cantu wave whip. Listen, I've been on a mousse journey. I typically do not like mousses, but I said, you know what, let me go ahead and try it. And I don't know if you guys follow Maya Smith, but she is the CEO, founder, lead stylist of the Do hair salon, i.e. the Do products, right? And if you're familiar with mousses, she makes this most defining mousse, and I absolutely love it. I saw her do a styling like little reel on her Instagram, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try mousse on my little teeny weeny fro, because she also has a teeny weeny fro, and her curls were popping. I went out, bought the Do, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. And she did it on dry hair, which I've never thought to do before, but it turned out bomb, and that's what I've been doing for literally the last month. I've been trying several different mousses in addition to the Do, and so one thing that I stumbled upon was this Cantu Wave Whip curly mousse. I really, really like this product. Say what you want about Cantu ingredients, so I'm not here for that right now. I'm not here for it at all, actually. I'm just gonna be real with you guys. But this really gives you a defined curl. It's really, really soft. My hair is shiny. I absolutely love it. Now, disclaimer, when it's humid outside, this doesn't actually hold the curls. Yeah, I just haven't had luck with the humidity in this, but if it's a perfect day, no humidity, curls are popping. I think with humidity, you may need more of a gel. I don't think that this is enough on my hair, but everything that this says it does, defines waves and curls without the crunch. I definitely experienced that touchable, frizz-free finish, weightless moisture and conditioning. Definitely moisture, definitely condition, and so this is what we're gonna be using today. And I got my mirror so I can see the back of my head. I'm gonna start off with the back here, and we're gonna work our way up from the back to the front, all right? Okay, we're good. All right, so this is the back. You can tell I have absolutely, it's all picked out. I'm just gonna do some of those in the back. And you guys can see it's just super light. Like, this is really, 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 really light. And I'm just gonna start from, let's say right here. And don't be afraid to use alrighty. So I'm just gonna take this little comb here, and I'm gonna start. And we're just gonna go through. I'm starting to get a little bit of tangles. There we go. And that's what we're gonna do from there. Let's come through here. We'll get that all good. Perfect. And we're good from here. We're gonna do it from here. Perfect. Here. Perfect. Here. And I like this little comb because my hair is not quite long enough to be twisting yet right here. we go. See that? Super simple. And I have eczema, you guys, so that's that patch back there. And we're just gonna kind of come. All right. There we go. So that's what we're gonna do for the back. Then we're gonna move on up. My hair is a little bit longer right through here, right? So I'm gonna try to pull it out just a little bit. And don't be afraid. I use a lot of this product, and my hair is never hard with this product, which is what I love about it. Okay. So we're nice and moussed up, right? So we're gonna come through here. Literally going to your comb. This is much harder to do. Alright, now I need to get, this is so hard. Now I'm just going to take it and I'm literally going to just wrap little circles, and I'm going to start finger coiling. You can see in the middle of my hair, I have different curl patterns, right? Super tedious. You can kind of see what we're going for here. All right, we're going to go through here. See when you grab the comb, how much hair I have, which is why I love this little comb, because it's going to get everything. We're going to move our way up to the top. We're at 7 minutes. We're at 7 minutes, not too shabby. All right, so here we go here. This is the easy part. Okay, so we're gonna pick up through here and part. Yes, this is tedious. We're gonna come, see that? And I'm going to lift up through there. And then nice. There we go. Okay. And then we're just literally going to continue twisting and finger coiling. There we go, and this is what we're looking like. Okay. I'm gonna split this section in half. So I have a lot of hair. There we go. Really I don't think there's like a right or wrong way. No real method to it. I'm gonna move on to the sides. Okay, here we are here. So the sides, we're just literally gonna go ham. Look at all that hair in between there. So we gotta get that. And then gotta get these sides here. All right, kind of work it here. Same thing, we just hit 15 minutes. So my hair is really, it's like shorter in here. So all I'm gonna do is just take this and kind of go like that. Just kind of work it through. And we may try to pull this up here. Oh, there we go, it's long enough. There was a little blank spot. Okay. Add a little bit more to go here. All right. This is where it gets kind of tricky. So so it's not quite long enough. So you just kind of want to whip that through there, like that. So whip it through. Whip that through. There we go. And then I'm going to whip it through here on this side. There we go. Just kind of whip that small comb through there with the product. There we go. All right. Use edge control. Here it is. Boop, boop. And I'm just gonna take it, put this on my fingertips. And again, because gray hair is so disrespectful, I'm just gonna kind of put that down, and then I'm gonna take my fingers and try my best to finger coil this area so that the gray hair stays down. Because gray hairs will just fly away. There we go. We kind of just want to come through here. Listen, I'm 36 years old, about to be 37. There's no need. I like a natural baby hair. No shade, y'all. There we go. Just what my hair naturally gives. Now let's fast forward, get this face, but let me show you what it looks like. Super cute, TWA, and I can pick this out later if I wanted to. Tomorrow I should still be super defined. Okay, let me show you the back. Here we are. Not too shabby, right? There we go over here. Here we go over there. Not too bad. That's it. That is a live styling session, 21 minutes from start to finish. Like I said, I should be able to wear this for the next 2 days, maybe even 3 days. I'm just gonna use my scarf and wrap it here and then put a bonnet over my head. I'll put a link to that video if you're looking for kind of what it's gonna be like going through the week with this hairstyle, so that you know how often I will have to water and hydrate and retwist, blah, blah, and redo it because it's short. So it will get matty on the sides, but if you watch this video, you'll see how I kind of take care of the sides. So if you like what you saw today and you would like more live styling sessions, please leave it in the comments for me. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you. If you have friends who would love to join the Curlfriend community, share this with them, okay? All right, so without further ado, have a great day and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.